This is what I get to work with. I don't think the Pro Press is fitting with that shit right there. So we'll be soldering this one. Fire alarm's on test since I already set it off though. Look at that shit, dude. Old school plumbers did it the best. Fuck you. Did it like shit, you fucking dickheads. This is why I love commercial, dude. Tie the press off so I don't drop it. Had a jackhammer hole to access to this fucking leak, bro. Look at that fucking rod. Gotta tie the press off so I don't drop it down this 200-foot fucking shaft, dude. I'm on the 22nd floor of this apartment building. Listen to this thing, dude. It sounds like dying. Listen to that, dude. It's like that fart after you fuck that girl's butt.